Chapter 3. He's just different. Sammy.
Sammy.
There's a new boy.
There's a new boy
In my cousin.
in my cousin
Rajesh class.
Rajesh class.
At first, Rajesh thought he has
spoiled,
but now he knows that the new boy
that the new boy
Jeevan is special.
Jeevan is special.
What does that
What does that
mean, Mike?
mean, Mike?
He is not
He's not
like us.
like us.
Let's read more
Let's read more
about him.
about it.
Sure. I want to know
I want to know
how he's
how is
special.
special.
It's not
It's not
fair.
fair.
Rajesh said
Said
as he come
as he come
in and
and
threw
threw
his bag onto the sofa.
the sofa.
What's not fair?
What's not fair?
His dad
His dad
asked
him
as he looked up
looked up
from the newspaper
from the newspaper
that he was
that he was
reading.
reading.
It's not fair
It's not fair
that some of
some of
us
us
get to behave
directly
from others.
from others.
Rajesh replied,
Rajesh replied,
did something
"This something
happen at
happened at
school today?
school today."
His dad
His dad
asked Rajesh, pouted. Yes, remember,
Yes, remember.
I told you about
I told you about
Jeevan, that new boy
that new boy
in our class.
in our class.
He said, well,
I
don't like him.
don't like him.
He is
He is
so spoiled.
so spoiled.
Rajesh's father
Rajesh's father
put the newspaper
put the newspaper
down.
down.
I remember him.
I remember him.
He said, how is spoiled?
Spoiled.
He doesn't talk
He doesn't talk
to anyone in
to anyone in
class.
class.
Rajesh replied,
Rajesh replied,
he sits
he sits
alone at
alone
a corner
a corner
desk. Even when we have a free period, he just sits there and plays board games. Doesn't even have to come down and play during the games period. He is allowed to just sit in the classroom and play board games. And you know what? Not teach. Says anything to him. I would get scolded if I missed the games period. Rajesh's father had a thoughtful look on his face. I see, he said. Yes, Dad. Rajesh continued. And sometimes he complains about pain. He gets to sit in a chair that has wheels on it, and a teacher or someone else just pushes him around. Even when his mother comes to pick him up in the afternoon, she pushes him in that chair with wheels. How spoiled of him
him.
But do you know
But do you know
why he acts
why he acts
this way
this way?
other than for being
For being
spoiled?
spoiled,
Rajesh
Father
asked
asked
him.
him.
Oh,
Oh,
I don't know
I don't know
when he joined.
when he joined.
Our class teacher
Our class teacher
told us
that
he is special.
is special.
She later
She later
told us
told us
that he has
that he has
cerebral
cerebral
palsy.
policy.
Rajesh father
Rajesh's father
said
said
it's called cerebral
cerebral
palsy.
palsy.
Do you know
Do you know
what it
what it
is? Rajesh
is? Rajesh
shook his head.
head.
It is a disability
disability
that affects
that affects
movement. Jeevan is not acting. Spoiled Rajesh. His disability
disability
makes it difficult for
difficult of
him to move.
him to know.
It also makes
It also makes
it difficult
it difficult
for
for
him to walk.
him to walk.
That is why
That is why
he doesn't
he doesn't
talk much.
talk much.
That is also
That is also
why he doesn't
why he doesn't
come down to
come down to
the field
the field
during the games
during the games
period.
period.
Oh, said Rajesh.
Say Rajesh.
People with cerebral palsy cannot move their arms
move their arms
and legs
and legs
as we can. Sometimes they have unbearable pain all over their limbs. It gets so bad that at times they cannot move. That is the lesson. Jeevan needs to be wheeled around in a wheelchair. Rajesh father told him a wheelchair so that's what it's called. Rajesh said with a look of understanding on his face. Yes, his father said your teacher said that he is special because he has special needs. He is not spoiled. He is just different. Imagine being stuck in a chair and not being able to move because of pain. That would be pleasurable, right? That sounds rough. Dad, Rajesh replied, I thought he was being a brat. I didn't know that it was because he was different. Rajesh thought for a few seconds. Dad, he said, I feel bad that nobody in the class talked to him. What do you think I should do? He said, smile. You like board games? He said, why don't you ask him if you could play with him? That's a good idea.
idea.
I will
I will
do that, Rajesh.
do that, Rajesh.
Said happily.
Said happily.
But what if
But what
he
if
doesn't want
he doesn't want
to play with
to play with
me and says no?
me and says no?
Then you respect
Then you respect
his wishes
his wishes
and leave
and leave
him alone.
him alone.
His father
His father
said,
said,
can I also
can I also
help him
help him
push
push
his
his
wheelchair?
wheelchair?
Dad Rajesh
Dad Rajesh
ask.
asked.
No, Rajesh.
No, Rajesh.
Leave that
Leave that
to the teachers
to the teacher
and the
and the
other staff.
other staff.
You would not
You would not
know how to
know how to
push his
his
wheelchair.
wheelchair.
But if he
But if we
asks
ask
you for help
you for help
in pushing
in pushing
his wheelchair,
his wheelchair,
then you can.
then you can.
His dad
His dad
told him.
told him.
Dad,
All right, Dad.
said Rajesh.
Said Rajesh.
I think
I think
I will take the
I will take the
scarable
scarable
board with me.
boat with me.
I have seen
I have seen
him play
him play
scarable,
scarable,
but he has
that he have
a different
a different
edition.
edition.
Maybe
Maybe
he will enjoy
he will enjoy
our edition
our edition
too.
too.
Sure, son.
Sure, son.
We have a
We have a
few more
more
board games.
board games.
Let me help.
Let me help.
You find them.
You find them.
His dad.
His dad
said.
said.
Let's go then.
Let's go then.
Rajesh said.
Rajesh said
Excitedly.
excitedly.